Today we're doing barbecue. Today we're doing barbecue chicken. Barbecue chicken that's baked and seasoned to perfection. Every day, cooking dad, cooking every day. Welcome in, welcome back. All right, here's our ingredients. We got kale, our chicken wings, onion, garlic, barbecue rub, all-purpose seasoning, and yellow mustard. Yep, yellow mustard. Stick around. So we're gonna go ahead and use this mustard as a binder. It's gonna make our seasoning stick, but it's not gonna taste like mustard, not even a little bit. So go ahead and get some mustard on there. No measurement for this, just about that much. And give this a nice little massage. Get that mustard everywhere, because we want our seasoning to stick everywhere as much as we can on the chicken. Check this complete seasoning out. Asil. It's from a fellow YouTuber, Lisa D Delights show. Guys, this is some good stuff. It really is good. You got to give it a try. I'll definitely leave a link below. This chicken didn't really need anything else but just this seasoning, complete seasoning. So let me spread the chicken wings out. It's a lot easier this way. So go ahead, get that seasoning, bind it with that mustard. So every time you take a bite, it's going to be delicious. So we're also going in with the killer hog barbecue rub. We're just going to give this a light dusting. The combination of these two seasonings, it comes out just right. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to flip these over and do the other side. But guys, the combination of these two, we're eating a little bit healthier. We're baking instead of frying. So we're going to go ahead, finish seasoning the other side of this chicken. And these are going in the oven 350 for about 40 minutes, 35, 40 minutes. So in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and work on our kale. So we're going to go ahead and cut the stems off. And then we're going to curl them up as much as we can get in our hand and give it a nice bite-sized cut. So like about that. Guys, kale is pretty good. Make sure you expand your palate. All right, here's our onions and garlic. We gave everything a nice little chop in with some avocado oil into our pan. Our pan is medium. It's not too hot. We're just trying to saute some flavors out of this. So once your onions got a little bit of color, we're going to go ahead and put our garlic in. So we're just going with 4 cloves of garlic. And we decided to use our garlic press because we wanted fine pieces of garlic. We didn't want big chunks. That's just the way I felt today. You can just chop yours up if you like. It's no big deal. So soon after adding your garlic, go ahead in with some liquid. Today I'm using chicken stock. You can definitely just use water. But I really needed to finish off this chicken stock, so I went with that. So now we're going to go ahead and go in with this Better Than Billion onion. Sauteed onion. Guys, that's good. And that one leaves just a nice little subtle flavor. So in with our kale. We're going in a little bit at a time. Gonna wilt it down. And then we go in with some more. After this wilted, we go in with some more. And we repeat the process until all our kale is in the pot and cooked. Now it doesn't take long. I'd say about 20 minutes, 25 minutes to cook the kale, just as our chicken comes out. And we're going to season it with the Greek seasoning. Now, guys, I'm just shaking some on. I would say I probably put about a teaspoon, maybe a half a tablespoon. But, this is where you make it your own. You can go in with some onion and garlic, maybe some Lowry's, however you like your kale. All right, we're going to go ahead and hit this up with some salt. And we'll probably salt it down a little bit later, but not too much right here. All right, so we're going to give that a stir, cover it up. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. Now we're going in. The last 5 minutes, I'm hitting it with some cherry tomatoes. So in those go. And we're going to cover this back up and get our chicken out the oven and just give it like a 2-minute, 3-minute rest. Well, here's our chicken. Guys, look at this. That chicken is good. It came out really good. Look at that. Yeah, 40 minutes and we got delicious chicken wings. All right, so let's go ahead and plate this up. We got some rice and peas left over from my neighbor next door. We got our kale with tomato, and we got our chicken with the Asil seasoning and killer hog. Guys, this came out delicious. It's just crunchy. You don't almost think it's fried. So guys, you got to give this one a try. Look up the Lisa Delee Delight show. Get her seasoning over there. I'll leave everything down below. This is some good stuff. Weeknight dinner, quickie. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day.